Hi kids, in maths we are doing chapter 3 addition, and yesterday we have done 3 word problems in our notebook, and today we are going to do 3 more. Question number 4, 5 and 6 you have to copy in your maths notebook. Question number 4 is, in a factory 256 male and 412 female workers are working. Find the total workers in the factory. There is a big factory in which some people are working. They are workers. Amongst them, 256 are male and 412 are. We have to find out the total number of workers in the factory. What are we going to do? We have to add the number of males working there and number of females working there so that we can get the total workers. But before that, we have to write the statements. The first statement will be number of male workers is equals to. We are counting the number. First, number of male workers. The number of male workers is equals to 256. So, we have written 256 under hundreds, tens and ones. Then, number of female workers is given. So, number of female workers is equals to 412. Male means boys जो आदमी हैं and female means girls जो ladies हैं जो वहाँ पर लड़कियां work कर रही हैं, female workers, and we have to find the total number of workers. So third statement, total number of workers is equal to what we are finding? We are finding the total number of workers. कुल मिलाकर फैक्ट्री में कितने लोग काम कर रहे हैं? Males and females both. So we have to add the number of males and females, plus sign we have to put. Then we have to do the addition over here and write the final answer. Find the total workers in the factory. How many workers are there in total? We have to find that. The workers are, and whatever the number is, you have to write it over here. कितने लोग हैं total? जो अभी आपने calculate करा plus किया, वो आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है. Then the next question 5 is, at a meeting there were 569 men and 356 women. How many people were at the meeting? एक meeting में 569 men हैं and 356 women हैं. आपको क्या बताना है? मीटिंग में कितने लोग हैं? सेम थिंग जैसे हमने फैक्ट्री में किया था वही अब हम मीटिंग में कर रहे हैं. We have to tell the total number of people. So we have to add number of men and number of women. So our first statement. First we have been given the number of men. So we will write down number of men. Number of man का plural होता है men. One man, many men. The number of men is equals to 569. And number of women. Again women is the plural of woman. The number of women is equals to 356. And what are we finding? We are finding the total number of people. लोगों के हम total number calculate कर रहे हैं. तो total number of people is equals to the sum of number of men and number of women. So we have to do the addition over here. After addition, you will find out the total were at the meeting. At the place of how many, you will write the sum. Dash people were at the meeting. Next question 6. In a stationery shop, there are 184 black pens, 232 red pens and 325 blue pens. How many pens are there in the shop? एक शॉप में, एक स्टेशनरी शॉप में 184 ब्लैक पेन्स हैं, 232 रेड पेन्स हैं एंड 325 ब्लू पेन्स हैं. आपको टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेन्स बताना है. अगेन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू डू एडिशन. To write down the statements and let's do the addition. So our first statement is number of black pens is equals to 184. We are counting the number of pens. First number of black pens, that is 184. The number of red pens, that is 232. The number of blue pens, that is 325. So we have written these numbers under hundreds, tens and ones. And what we have to find? We have to find the total number of pens. which is equals to the sum of these three numbers. So we have written plus sign. Now we have to add these three numbers. हम इन तीनों numbers को plus करेंगे and we will get the total number of pens. So final answer we have to write. How many pens are there in the shop? Instead of this how many, you will write your sum. Dash pens are there in the shop. Like this you have to do the word problems in your notebook today.